Have you ever wondered what might happen if you committed to just 1 minute of planking every day? You won't believe the transformations. Many people see planking as a simple exercise. But it's so much more. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, improves core strength, and enhances endurance. For a minute daily, this powerful move can reshape your body and boost your health. Let's break down what happens to your body through daily planking. First, you'll experience immediate benefits. Just after a single minute, you will feel muscles activating. Your abdominals, back, and shoulders all engage instantly. That's right. In just 60 seconds, you're firing up crucial stability muscles. Initially, your core will get stronger. A stronger core means better posture. Better posture can significantly enhance your overall appearance. You may notice improved confidence in your daily life. Plus, your chances of back pain may decrease. As you continue to plank daily, you'll notice increased endurance. Endurance is crucial for overall fitness. It helps with everyday activities and improves sports performance. 1 minute of planking seems small, but it accumulates. Over time, it builds your stamina significantly. Moreover, your body starts to burn calories differently. Engaging those muscles even for a single minute enhances your metabolism. An increased metabolism helps in burning calories throughout the day, even at rest. Imagine transforming your body while you simply go about your day. Let's talk about the mental benefits, too. Doing 1 minute of planking daily can elevate your focus. Every plank session becomes a mini meditation. You fully concentrate on your form and breath, promoting mental clarity. This mental exercise can lead to reduced stress levels. As you add planking to your routine, you might find it easier to track progress. You can time yourself or even increase your hold duration. Setting small goals keeps your motivation high. This contributes to a sense of achievement. After about a week, you might notice visible changes. Your midsection could appear tighter. Your friends and family may even comment on your physique. This can boost your self-esteem significantly. But there's more. Planking also supports better balance and stability. Your body learns to control itself better. This helps in activities like running, dancing, or even yoga. A strong core stabilizes your movements and decreases your injury risk. Now, let's discuss variations. Once you master the basic plank, you can explore different forms. Side planks, forearm planks, and plank reaches can challenge you. Each variation targets different muscles. They keep your routine fresh and engaging. If you're worried about time, planking requires zero special equipment. You can do it anywhere, at home, the office, or even outdoors. No gym membership is necessary, saving you money. Plus, it only takes a minute. It fits easily into any busy schedule. You might wonder about progressions. After a month, a minute might feel easy. Gradually try to hold for longer, like 90 seconds or 2 minutes. Alternatively, combine planks with other exercises, like push-ups or squats. This increases the challenge while maintaining an effective routine. Tracking your progress can be motivating. Consider keeping a journal or using an app to record your daily planking. Watch as your endurance grows alongside your strength. Celebrate your achievements along the way. In summary, planking every day for just 1 minute can do wonders. You'll strengthen your core and enhance endurance. Improved posture and reduced stress are bonuses. Plus, planking is versatile, accessible, and easy to integrate into your day. So, why not give it a try? Let a minute of planking be the starting point of your journey. Grab your watch and start your first plank today. You'll be amazed at your own transformation.